Assalamu alaikum everyone. Inshallah today we are going to learn the letter Sin. Sin is the 12th letter of the Arabic alphabet. Now let's learn some words that start with the letter Sin. Sin is for Salam, which means peace. Did you know that one of Allah's names is As-Salam, because Allah is the giver of peace and safety. Sin is for Samka, which means fish. Zaky and Kazwa love going fishing on their boat. Sin is for Zulhafa, which is a turtle. Sometimes when I go with Zaky and Kazwa fishing, I see my friend Tariq the turtle swimming by. Sin is for Sayyara, which is a car. Make sure you put your seatbelt on when you are travelling in a car. Sin is for Sarir, which is a bed. I love sleeping in my bed at night. Sin is for Sujood, which means prostration. We make Sujood every day in our 5 daily prayers.
Assalamu alaikum boys and girls. Today I'm super excited because of one thing. It's the brand new Zaky bedtime pillow. I've been waiting so long for this thing. Check it out. And in this video, I'm going to show you all the features it has. Let's unbox it. Are you ready? There it is, the brand new Zaky bedtime pillow. Now let's see what these buttons do. Let's start with this one.
The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that if we recite Ayat al-Kursi before going to sleep, Allah will send an angel to come and look after us and protect us.
MashaAllah. So the first button is reciting Ayat al-Kursi. It'll show us how to recite it step by step. The next one is...
Now let's recite the 3 quls. First, cup your hands together, blow into your palms, recite the 3 quls, and then wipe your hands all over your face and body to wherever you can reach. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
So this next button is the 3 quls, which we have to do before going to bed. Now let's check out the third button.
Let's say the dua for sleeping. بسمك اللهم أموت وأحيا.
That's a dua we say before we go to bed. Now let's go to the 4th button.
Story time.
Story time. What will Jannah be like? This button over here has 8 bedtime stories to help you get to bed. Now let's see what this button does. Cool. This is a song button. It has 7 songs on there to help you fall asleep. I love this song. Let's sing it together. I love Allah, He loves Allah, she loves Allah, we all love Allah. He gave us the sun and the moon and the stars. So 7 songs on this button, and let's see what this button does. This button lights up the stars and the moon. This looks really cool in the dark. And the last button is the volume control, so you can put it up or down depending on what you prefer. And guess what? It comes in blue and pink. Isn't that cool? Get your pillow now. Check out the info to find out where you can buy it from. Assalamu alaikum.